Hello folks, this is Aitan Jha from InspiredToRise.com, and today we have the InFocus M810 as well as the Xiaomi Mi 4i here with us for a comparison review of both of these smartphones. So what's different between both of these smartphones? As is visible from a first glance, the InFocus M810 is definitely bigger than the Xiaomi's Mi 4i, and the Xiaomi Mi 4i is a slightly more compact phone when compared to the InFocus M810. So when we compare both of these phones side by side, the InFocus M810 is definitely thicker. And when it comes to screen size also, the InFocus M810 has a 5.5-inch Full HD display, while the Xiaomi Mi 4i has a 5-inch Full HD display. In terms of pixel density, the Mi 4i is better, but in terms of overall reading pleasure, the InFocus M810 is better. Apart from that, when we compare both of these smartphones, one more thing that is different on both of these smartphones is the processor. So let us just show you that. So the InFocus M810 has a Snapdragon 801 chipset, which is 2.46 GHz, while the Xiaomi Mi 4i has a Snapdragon 615 chipset, which is 1.65 GHz. When compared in terms of speed, the InFocus M810 is a complete winner, but when compared to the number of cores, the Mi 4i has 8 cores, whereas the 801 chipset has 4 cores. So multiple cores means better multitasking, but in terms of overall real world usage, the Mi 4i lags slightly behind the InFocus M810. This is because of the fact that the Mi 4i is underclocked right now because of the latest CPU updates done by Xiaomi, the latest MIUI updates done by Xiaomi to keep the temperature under check. So all in all, here the InFocus M810 is a clear winner in terms of a faster CPU. When it comes to screen, the InFocus M810 is a winner again because of the bigger 5.5-inch screen, but when it comes to compact size and form factor, the Xiaomi Mi 4i is a clear winner. When it comes to weight and everything else, the Mi 4i is a complete winner because it's lighter. It's about 16% lighter than the InFocus M810, and lightweight devices, as we all know, are really easy to use and handy, and a 5-inch device is almost perfect to use in day-to-day conditions. And right now we would also do a small benchmark test as well as a multitasking test on both of these smartphones, and the InFocus M810 is better in terms of supporting a memory card, whereas the Mi 4i is better in terms of having a bigger battery, which gives around 20% more battery. But the InFocus M810 smartphone has a removable battery, which helps you to remove the battery in case the smartphone freezes anytime. And one of the added caveats for this smartphone is that it supports NFC. So let us just do a quick multitasking test on both of these smartphones. We will do it when we have quick rebooted both of these smartphones, and we would start it from the real initial base wherein no application has been preloaded into these smartphones. So we have started both of these phones from a very cold boot condition, and right now we would play Asphalt 8 on both of these smartphones, and let us just see which smartphone runs it faster, and let us see the loading time and everything. We ran the game on the Mi 4i a bit earlier, but still the InFocus M810 loaded it earlier, so that's something which shows that the InFocus M810 is a better smartphone in terms of overall performance. So in between the game, let us just compare both of these, and we would see which one of both of these smartphones is better in terms of overall performance. So the game already began on the InFocus M810 while we were a little bit slower over there. So this speaks volume about the overall performance of the InFocus M810. So I guess it is enough for gaming on both of these smartphones, and right now is the time to test the thermal temperature. So 50 degrees Celsius on the InFocus on the Mi 4i, and 53 degrees Celsius it was on the InFocus M810. So on both of these smartphones the heating was there, and if you play for a very prolonged period of time, you would find that the heating is too much on the InFocus M810. So that's one of the negative points of this smartphone. And now let us just overload these smartphones. We will just play one app after the another, and we will see which smartphone gives in more easily and more early than the other. And this was enough for the game. And right now we are trying to increase as many opened apps as possible, so we will just try to overburden both of these phones. The M810 as well as the Mi 4i both have Android Lollipop, so that's something which is okay for both of these smartphones. And now let us just, we have run the Ninamark test on both of these smartphones, and we would just keep it running in the background. We would also run the quadrant standard on both of these smartphones. And we would also, apart from this, open another application that we might have over here, which is the Antutu benchmark. So this is the one. One of the major differences in both of these smartphones is that the Antutu benchmark running on this one is on 64-bit. That is, the Mi 4i is a 64-bit octa-core processor smartphone, whereas this one, the InFocus M810, is a quad-core 32-bit processor smartphone. So let us just move forward and wait a little. Both of these smartphones are really heated up right now. While the InFocus M810 is so hot, I can press my clothes with it. It has a score of 41,428, whereas the Mi 4i has a score of 27,426. So all in all, the throttling which has been done on the Mi 4i makes it a lower heating smartphone, whereas the throttling done on whereas there is no such throttling done on the. So right now the temperature differences are visible. 59 degrees Celsius it was on the InFocus one, and it was 50 degrees Celsius on this one. And cooling off happens rapidly in the Mi 4i, whereas the M810 takes a lot of time to cool off, and it is so warm right now. The back is so warm, my hands are feeling really warm, and that is one of the bad points of the M810. Whereas the Mi 4i was okay enough, but the performance was not as good as the M810. So who wins in this overall comparison test? When it comes to camera and everything, and when it comes to handiness, the Mi 4i is the clear winner. And when it comes to raw performance and other stuff like bigger screen and everything, then the M810 is the overall winner. But we have to give the verdict. So for both of these phones retail for a price of 13,000 INR, and the Mi 4i is also available in a 32GB variant, which is available for 15,000 rupees. So we guess that the Mi 4i is a winner by a really small margin, and because of the fact that right now after the latest MIUI update, it's more usable than the M810, which heats up really a lot, and you can play almost anything in the Mi 4i. And we tested the benchmark while we had overloaded both of these smartphones with a lot of applications. So here we have, folks, the winner, Mi 4i, by a small margin. And guys, it takes a lot of time and effort to make such videos, so don't forget to like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This is Aitana Jha from InspiredToRise.com signing off, folks. Stay inspired to rise.